Guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful idea and beautiful review. Strawberry crochet pattern, and to crochet a strawberry you can follow these basic steps and styles like red yarn for the body of the strawberry and green yarn for the leaves, and different beautiful stuff like stove and beautiful stuff, strawberry colors, and you can should now have a crochet strawberry with leaves. Adjust the size and details as you like to make it unique and latest ideas. So I hope you like it. Different and latest crocheting. So I hope you like it and latest new beautiful ideas and ideas like different and latest ideas like customization. You can experiment with different yarns and texture and shadows to create unique strawberry and ideas like initiates or and a face candy can shattered and as a gift, and different styles like they make cute keychains and pincushions and decoration items for your home. You can also attach them to hats, bags, and clothing for a playful touch. Beautiful ideas. They are a great way to use up leftover yarns, scraps, which is different and latest ideas. Beautiful styling like crochet pattern. So guys, see this video till the end and mention in the comment section for your feedback and response. So take care and bye bye. See you soon. Take care.